Have you ever wondered why kangaroos and koalas carry their babies in pouches? These animals are called marsupials, and their pouches are like cozy backpacks for their tiny newborns. When marsupial babies are born, they are very small and not fully developed. The pouch gives them a safe, warm place to grow while still being close to their mother. Inside the pouch, the baby can drink milk and stay protected from danger. This special adaptation helps marsupial moms keep their babies safe until they're strong enough to explore the world on their own.